Steak and mushroom goulash is the perfect dish to stir appetites and warm hearts with its smoky paprika seasoning. Tender mushrooms, classic gravy, and a touch of cream elevate this delicious comfort food that you can easily serve at high volume. Hey, I'm Chef Peter, culinary lead at Unilever Food Solutions. So to start our goulash, we heat a little oil in a large pot. Then add the diced onions and lightly cook on a medium heat. Dice your beef and cook until browned. Quarter the mushrooms and add to the pan with ground paprika and some water. You'll need 1.5 liters per 10 serves. Mix well and simmer for 90 minutes or until meat is tender. Add a little salt to taste, and by liking we can add a little bit of herbs. Now for the gravy, we are going to use KNORR Professional Gravy Mix. It's an affordable gravy with a classic gravy taste, so it's perfect for our goulash. But it also tastes great just poured over a steak or a roast. Fill a pot with 500 ml water and add the gravy mix. Place on the stove and bring to the boil, stirring continuously. Once boiling, reduce heat and simmer for a further 2 minutes while stirring. And if you're short on time, you can use our instant application method. Simply bring 500 ml of water to the boil. Once the water has boiled, gradually add KNORR Professional Gravy Mix and whisk vigorously until the mixture is smooth. When your gravy is ready, add it to the goulash. Add sour cream to the goulash and stir until the goulash is thickened. Serve with a silky mash made using KNORR potato flakes and some steamed seasonal greens on the side. That's delicious.